Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn something from this video, don't drag it and watch it from the beginning to the end. I'm so excited to share my top 12 must-grow crops for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these picks are sure to bring beauty, flavor, and a touch of magic to your backyard. We'll be diving into each crop, exploring their unique qualities, and I'll even share some of my tried-and-true tips for success. From vibrant flowers that'll attract hummingbirds to delicious veggies that'll have your taste buds singing, we're covering it all. So grab a glass of iced tea, settle in, and let's get ready to transform your garden into the envy of the neighborhood. Now, who doesn't love the sight of hummingbirds flitting around the garden? They bring such a sense of joy and wonder. This year, I'm inviting you to create your very own hummingbird haven with a special mix of flowers that'll have these tiny creatures flocking to your yard. Think vibrant, trumpet-shaped blooms in shades of red, orange, and pink. Some of my favorites include bee balm, salvia, and trumpet vine. Not only are these flowers stunning to look at, but they also provide a vital source of nectar for hummingbirds. And here's a little secret. These flowers attract more than just hummingbirds. They also attract butterflies and bees, which are essential for pollinating your garden and helping your plants thrive. It's a win-win for everyone. When planting your hummingbird haven, be sure to choose a sunny spot with some afternoon shade. And don't forget to provide a water source nearby, like a bird bath or a shallow dish of water. Trust me, watching these little creatures buzz around your garden will bring a smile to your face every time. It's like having a little piece of paradise right outside your door. Next up, we're talking about sweet banana peppers. These vibrant yellow beauties are a staple in my garden, and for good reason. They're incredibly versatile in the kitchen and add a burst of flavor to any dish. Slice them up for salads, toss them in stir-fries, or stuff them with your favorite fillings for a delicious appetizer. And if you're feeling adventurous, try pickling them for a tangy treat that'll last all year round. But the best part about sweet banana peppers? They're incredibly easy to grow. They thrive in warm, sunny spots and are relatively low maintenance. Just make sure to give them plenty of water and a little bit of love, and you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest. I love snacking on these peppers straight from the vine. They're sweet, crunchy, and oh so satisfying. They're also a great source of vitamins and antioxidants, so you can feel good about indulging in this tasty treat. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, sweet banana peppers are a must-have for any garden. They're easy to grow, delicious to eat, and will add a touch of sunshine to your plate. Now this one might surprise you, but hear me out. Loofah gourds. Yes, you heard that right. Those exfoliating sponges we all know and love actually come from a plant. And the best part? You can grow them right in your own backyard. Loofah gourds are a type of gourd that belongs to the cucumber family. They thrive in warm climates and can grow up to several feet long. But don't worry, you don't have to wait for them to dry out completely to enjoy their benefits. When young and tender, loofah gourds are actually quite delicious. You can slice them up in stir-fries, add them to soups, or even batter and fry them for a tasty treat. And once they mature and dry out, you can peel away the outer skin to reveal the fibrous loofah sponge inside. Talk about sustainable living. Not only are you growing your own exfoliating sponges, but you're also reducing waste and embracing a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Plus, there's something so satisfying about using a product that you grew yourself. So why not give loofah gourds a try this year? They're a fun and rewarding crop to grow, and you'll be amazed at how versatile they are. Chapter 4. Naked, Seeded Pumpkins. Embrace the beauty of simplicity. Let's talk pumpkins, but not just any pumpkins. Naked seeded pumpkins. These unique varieties are quickly becoming a favorite among gardeners, and for good reason. As the name suggests, naked seeded pumpkins don't have the hard outer shell around their seeds, making them a breeze to roast and enjoy. But the benefits don't stop there. Naked seeded pumpkins are also known for their exceptional flavor and creamy texture. They're perfect for pies, soups, breads, and even roasted as a delicious side dish. And because they're naturally pest-resistant, you can feel good about growing them without the use of harsh chemicals. When choosing naked seeded pumpkin varieties, look for names like pepitas, Lady Godiva, or Australian butter. These varieties are known for their exceptional flavor and ease of growing. And here's a tip. Don't throw away the pumpkin flesh. It's packed with nutrients and can be used in countless recipes. Roast it, puree it, or freeze it for later use. So this year, embrace the beauty of simplicity with naked seeded pumpkins. They're delicious, easy to grow, and will add a touch of autumnal charm to your garden. Chapter 5. Sandwich tomatoes. Bite into summer's juiciest delight. Is there anything better than a juicy tomato sandwich on a hot summer day? I think not. And when it comes to tomato sandwiches, size definitely matters. That's where sandwich tomatoes come in. These large, meaty tomatoes are perfect for slicing up and piling high on your favorite bread. They're also delicious in salads, salsas, and sauces. And because they're typically less acidic than other tomato varieties, they're easier on the stomach. When choosing sandwich tomato varieties, look for names like beefsteak, brandywine, or Cherokee purple. These heirloom varieties are known for their exceptional flavor and impressive size. To ensure a bountiful harvest, be sure to provide your tomato plants with plenty of sunshine, water, and support. A sturdy tomato cage or stake will help keep the plants upright and prevent the fruit from touching the ground. So this year, bite into summer's juiciest delight with sandwich tomatoes. They're the perfect way to elevate your sandwiches, salads, and more. Chapter 6. Wholeless oats. Embrace the grain revolution in your backyard. Now let's talk about something a little different. Wholeless oats. That's right, you don't have to rely on store-bought oats anymore. Growing your own grains is easier than you think, and it's a rewarding experience that connects you to the source of your food. Wholeless oats, also known as hulless oats, are a type of oat that doesn't have the tough outer hull that traditional oats have. This makes them much easier to process and cook with. Plus, they're packed with nutrients and fiber, making them a healthy and delicious addition to your diet. To grow wholeless oats, you'll need a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Sow the seeds in early spring or fall and keep the soil moist until the plants are established. Once the oats are mature, you can harvest the seed heads and thresh them to separate the grains from the chaff. From there, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy your homegrown oats as a warm bowl of porridge on a chilly morning, bake them into cookies and granola bars, or even grind them into flour for baking bread. Growing your own wholeless oats is a fun and rewarding experience that allows you to connect with nature and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends and family with your gardening skills. Chapter 7. Companion planting. Unlock the secrets of a thriving garden. Now that we've covered some amazing crops to grow, let's talk about a technique that can take your gardening game to the next level: companion planting. This age-old practice involves strategically planting different crops together to create a harmonious and productive garden ecosystem. The idea behind companion planting is that certain plants can benefit each other in various ways. For example, some plants release natural pest repellents, while others attract beneficial insects that prey on pests. Some plants even improve the soil quality for their neighbors. One of my favorite companion planting combinations is tomatoes and basil. Basil is known to repel tomato hornworms, a common garden pest that can decimate your tomato plants. Plus, basil planted near tomatoes is said to enhance their flavor. Another great pairing is carrots and onions. Onions deter carrot flies, while carrots repel onion flies. It's a win-win situation. And if you're looking to attract pollinators to your garden, plant flowers like marigolds and zinnias near your vegetables. Companion planting is a fun and fascinating way to experiment in your garden and create a thriving ecosystem that benefits all of your plants. So do your research, get creative, and watch your garden flourish. Well, there you have it, my friends. My top 12 must-grow crops for 2025. I hope this video has inspired you to get out there and get your hands dirty. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. So don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun. Ready to transform your garden? Download our free planting guide in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Together, let's make 2025 the most beautiful gardening season ever.